Look at the glow on this.
Welcome back to our channel, y'all. I'm Cassandra, a wife, a mom, and flight attendant. I can't stress how excited I am to share with you guys my natural go-to makeup routine for moms on the go and flight attendants because, duh, we're always on the go. Now, let me introduce you guys to these new multi-use makeup sticks by Mutima. Y'all, these beauties are so versatile. It's insane. Versatile? Versatile? Versatile. Y'all, I never know how to say that word. Anyway, you can use these makeup sticks on your lips, your eyes, and your cheeks. Plus, they're eco-friendly and come in sustainable packaging. Here's the best part, y'all. Look at this. These shades are so inclusive, like whether you're dark skin or light skin, it's gonna look good. So you guys can get an idea of how I achieved this natural look. We're gonna get into the 6 shades that they have. The first 3 shades are in the cream sticks, and we have Somali, which is a soft neutral pink color. Channel comes in a warm chocolate brown shade, and Cassandra comes in a bold cherry red color. And then we got the 3 shades that come in the glow sticks, which are my favorite because I love a little razzle dazzle. There's Ruby Red, it's a burnt orange color with some sparkle. Manuka Honey that has a rich brownish gold tone to it. And finally, Amari, which is a purple color, and you can see it has hints of silver in it, giving it a little glimmer. Let's get into this makeup tutorial. Obviously, always have clean skin before applying makeup, and for the purpose of this video, I already cleansed and moisturized my face. I'm going in with the shade Channel as both a concealer and foundation. If you can tell, I have some acne scarring, so my point is to cover them a little bit, but not to get a full-on coverage so it doesn't look like I painted my face. Just apply it directly to your face and blend it with your fingers or a brush or like those blending sponges. And for a natural glowing flush, I went in with both shades Manuka Honey and Ruby Red to the apples of my cheeks, and then I blend upwards. This adds a fresh look even after a long flight or a busy day with the kids. Now I'm using the same 2 shades as eyeshadow, applying a small amount to my eyelids, then blending that out. Y'all, when I tell you this multi-use product simplifies my routine and keeps everything cohesive, no joke. We're gonna take the shade Cassandra and apply it to my lips for a pop of color. And to bring this whole look together, I always finish off with some eyeliner and mascara. A quick and easy natural makeup look that's light, looks fresh, and lasts throughout the day. Perfect for busy moms and flight attendants like me. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below. I want to know what your favorite shade is. Until then, see y'all in the next video.